The howl of the wolf fills a lonely canyon high above the desert land they call Chakotay. The flint strikes the steel, a cloud conceals the final stand, and the noble fall of the great Wapiti. Stay safe, stay warm, and you stay free with Chakotay Outdoor Recreation.
Hey, Bill here with Chakotay Outdoor Recreation. So today I wanted to share this with you. Surprise, I got a rendezvous. It's a pocket knife possible tool. And it is the Inspector Gadget of possibles. Fits right in your pocket. I'm going to show you what all it has, all the different attachments. One of the coolest things I've ever seen. I know CVA put this out in the 70s. And I had never seen one, never owned one. And now Pedrusoli makes one. It's a little different version of it, but Pedrusoli makes one. And kind of a cool little gizmo, a little out of my price range. If I hadn't got this as a gift, I wouldn't own one. But just the coolest little thing. You know, with this, some powder ball and some patch, you're ready. You're ready to go out on a hunting trip, and this don't weigh much. Doesn't take up a lot of room. So I'm going to show you what all it does, and stick with me. This ought to get pretty interesting. Well, let's take her to task and see what she can do. So, first thing we're going to need is this thing here. We'll get the wedge out. Okay, that's done. Then, we'll get out the old... If I had stronger fingers and didn't have arthritis, we'll use the wedge puller. That's the wedge puller. So it's already replacing some stuff right there. If that wasn't enough, shut that, get that open. This, a nipple tool. Works like a charm. Got our nipple out. Now if you go to the short starter, there's a secret compartment in here. And inside that secret compartment is a nipple pick. I should have brought my glasses. You can see, works pretty good. And it screws right back in there. On the other side, you have the long one. That's a nice ball starter. Replaces this. And it has a secret compartment. Guess what's inside of it? That's right, caps. You can keep a hoard of little percussion caps in here for emergency loading, which is kind of nice. So you get all that in a simple package. Kind of replaces your possibles a little bit. Then on top of everything, you get a pretty nice knife, and that is pretty sharp. All this made in Italy. Pretty nice.
Baby.
Out of the number one.
Wait a minute. 1, 2.
Fire when ready.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's your